speak with food in your mouth. Do not open your mouth and chew. Do not drink water with food in your mouth. Take small bites of food and chew them properly before swallowing. Do not take a large amount of food at one time. Do not rest your elbows on the table. Be kind to everyone. Share your belongings. Do not be selfish. Be nice to your brothers and sisters. Do your work yourself. Keep your toys in place after playing. Respect your teachers. Obey school rules. Be punctual and regular to school. Be nice to your schoolmates. Report inappropriate behavior to your teacher. Greet your teachers once a day. Do not scribble on the walls, desks, or board. Be kind and polite to everyone. Do not bully or call names at other children. Share the toys and rides with other children. Take turns and wait patiently for your turn to come. Do not damage play equipments. Do not litter. Do not eat at the play area. Do not scribble on the walls, public places, or common properties. Do not litter. Spit only in wash basins and clean up after that. Do not destroy any public property. Use toilets. Do not excrete in public places. Do not call names at others. Do not make fun of crippled people. Tend to others in need of help.